In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio in Asana. First, open Asana and sign in. On the login page, choose Continue with Google. If your organization uses Google for authentication, this is the quickest way to get in without entering a password. Select your Google account when prompted and give it a moment to complete the redirect. If you're already signed in, Asana may take you straight to your home screen. Once you're inside Asana, look to the left sidebar and click Portfolios. This is where you can group multiple projects and track them at a higher level. If you don't see portfolios, your workspace might not have access to that feature, which is typically available on certain paid plans. Assuming you have it, we'll continue. Click Create Portfolio. You'll land on a setup screen. Start by entering a clear descriptive name. Choose something your teammates will instantly recognize, like the department, initiative, or quarter you're tracking. Good naming saves time and avoids confusion later. Next, edit privacy. Decide whether this portfolio should be open to your organization or private to specific collaborators. If the work is sensitive or still in draft, set it to a restricted setting so only invited people can view it. If the goal is transparency across teams, open it up. You can always adjust this later as your needs change. Now set the default view. Pick the layout you want people to see first when they open the portfolio. Choose the view that best suits how your team reviews progress. Some prefer a simple list-style summary, others like a timeline or similar visual to understand schedules at a glance. This doesn't lock you in, it simply sets the starting point for everyone. Click Continue to confirm your choices. You'll be asked whether you want to add projects first or share with teammates. If you already know which projects belong here, add them now so stakeholders can see real data immediately. If you're still gathering inputs, share the portfolio first to bring collaborators in and let them help populate it. Either path works. Pick the one that best fits your workflow. Finally, click Go to Portfolio. You're taken to the new portfolio space where you can start monitoring project status, due dates, and health in one place. From here, you can refine settings, add or remove projects, and keep stakeholders aligned with a single source of truth. That's it, you've successfully added a portfolio in Asana.